Okay, guys, so we're coming in here now, and we gotta pay 20. She's paying 20 of the Guatemalan money in order to come inside here. Okay, guys, so we're in this part of the church, which is like it's like a ruin. It's ruined. It's like the ruins, right? Let's go over to where the guy is. Come on. Inside the cathedral, it has no roof. Look up, no roof on here, but it's the ruins. This is the ruins.
Cuando te fuiste a Roma, te van a decir tus amigas, no, pues se anduvo en Antigua, Guatemala. When the King of Spain wanted to know how this cathedral was going on, how was in 1678, that is the painting he gets in 1678.
Oh,
of course, this one is a copy of the one he gets, but you can see there what he saw.
A lot of history, guys. A lot of history on this tour.
It was never finished?
Like in the paint, like in the picture. That's the
it was finished, Karin. Over the time.
17 earthquakes.
Oh, earthquakes.
Oh, the earthquakes, got it.
Earthquakes.
Yeah. So much of the design.
For a population of 60,000.
Wow.
And there were only 60 families, not 60,000. Solo habían 60 familias.
¿Y eso tan grande?
Era para convertirnos a todos los centroamericanos a católicos. Era una metodología para, bueno, en cierta forma.
Wow.
Somehow they get it. They did it because today we celebrate the Semana Santa. We go to the convents. We buy the marzipan, los dulces típicos de aquí son de nuns, de las monjas. Everything, even our behavior, and we have to look well. Otherwise, the convento is our schools.
Oh.
They are founded by the nuns. Los educadores aquí son
Catholic school.
de origen católico, ya que
Escuela. Hey guys, inside this ruins, there are 5 owls that you can see. I'm gonna show you. Let me show you the 5 owls. They're just up there. Is that a painting? Oh, those are real owls. All right, I'm gonna show you. Look right there. I'm gonna zoom in. Tell me if you can see it. Right there, there's owls. Picture right there. Wow. And this is where we go. This is what we do. I show you what's going on all over the world. Let your friends know. Oh, that echo.
Esto era el coro for the 5 nuns coming to sing.
No.
Echo chamber.
A muchos indígenas los mataron porque no querían volverse católicos. Imagínense que les hicimos creer, we make the Spaniards think we don't like the gold, we don't like the silver. Los hicimos creer que no les presentamos ningún interés y los españoles. These indigenous are very nice because they don't like our gold. Ellos querían el oro y la plata y nosotros no. However, nosotros tenemos collares. Our ladies have necklaces with coins. Lo llaman chachales, porque ellas vieron, they saw when the Spanish women were buying things with coins of themselves. So they get it and they put them in the necklace. Porque eran cosas de valor. El sistema de comercio de aquí era trueque, barter, to trade.
Oh, they traded with the money, yeah.
So they say if those little things can buy things, they should be jewels like our jades.
Oh. Like precious stone.
De todos se llevaron el oro, ¿verdad? No, lo que buscaban era el oro, pero aquí había mucho oro.
Okay, guys, he's gonna show us the pyramids. Oh wow! Check this.
Moon Day, Mars Day, Mercury Day, Jupiter, Venus,
See it?
The 7
So the
days
pyramids?
of the week of them. It's astronomy.
So it counts as 7 days of the week.
Oh,
Wow. Pyramid, right?
Friends,
Wow.
the three holes up there. The owls are
Yes,
in the
it-
middle, están en medio de los tres hoyos, porque no hay 5 hoyos. Hay solo tres.
triangle.
Son 3 hoyos que muestran
So it's
gente,
3 holes.
un triángulo.
Yes.
It forms
from
a
the
triangle.
Sunrise. This is
Sunrise,
the east.
sunset.
This is the east. So my people
That
were
one's the
feeling
east, west.
sunrise is
north.
the triangle.
Where's the east? Where?
There.
That side. This side is the east.
And the cathedral
West.
have to be facing to the sunset to the west. Look at the facade. Look at the
This east, that's west.
And then it always faces the west.
For my better explanations of the history,
Okay, guys. So we just left the church over there, and now we're walking down the streets now.
What? That was a
Down here. So now we're doing a little street tour, you know. And he was telling us that we should remember that this place is from 1540 something. A lot of the Mayans were very, very advanced, guys. I think I'm gonna start studying Mayan culture, you know. Start studying these guys. Remember, you know, there was a people here before the Mayans. Remember that? You know, before the Mayans, you have the Aztecs, you have the Aztecs, Mayans, but before that you have the Olmecs. What is going on?
this is the most dangerous item in Antigua. Windows, watch your heads, please.
It's very low.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we gotta watch our head. So we're just walking up. Very nice day. You know, we're walking along the shade.
Today we have knockers of the
Beautiful.
doors for hands, for walkers.
Not
In
for
the
head.
colonial times, everybody was on a horse. So todos estaban a caballo. Habían tocadores altos porque entraban a caballo.
Oh, when they used to be on the horse, they was able to ring the bell at a higher level. So we're going in here now. In this place, I have no idea what we're going in here to see. It's nice. Wow.
Bien, corresponde entonces hacer mención de la participación del doctor Gustavo Parada, él es antigüeño, que tú la cepa, ¿verdad? De las familias tradicionales de la Antigua, como
That's
doctor
the
de la
little
producción,
prince.
sin duda una eminencia en la ontología, como también una eminencia en la literatura. Yo los disfruto y me siento muy contento porque he sido amigo. Amigos me han concedido así como Héctor, ¿verdad? Que son escritores acá que pertenecen a esa generación. Pues, como insisto, esto es una fiesta y entonces las palabras son para los cuales vamos a dar.
Twine the super. It's known as the city of the perpetual roses. La ciudad de las perpetual roses. Y todos tenemos que percibir.
Siguió caminando por las calles y avenidas esperaba
Guys,
encontrar
this is nice.
pero también seguía viendo las
I think this is when they have puppet shows, so you can see the strings.
Mr. Plane has a crush in Guatemala highlands. So that's why he lived here for a while.
I gotta read that book called The Little Prince. Okay, enjoying this, guys.
Hugo le dijo, hola, moviendo las manos. Ella abrió toda la ventana y sonriendo le dijo, buenos días, ¿anda paseando?
This is nice.
Sí, buenos días, ¿cómo está? Aquí esperando a que pase el hombre que
Catch you
ama.
on the next scene.
What? 1 hour.
Sometimes we say to our girlfriend, want a black sun or white sun?
Oh.
Le decimos decimos a nuestra amiga,
Bueno,
¿quieres ir a la
no.
playa negra o a la playa blanca? ¡Wow! Tenemos esa dicha, ¿verdad? Y 33 volcanes,
All of the
¿Cómo
south.
se llama la cordillera?
el
All
anillo
of
de
down
fuego.
here.
Aquí están, ¿ves? Los 33 volcanes, mira.
That's a lot.
Roberto, la distancia que hay de la playa negra a la playa blanca.
Okay, guys, so we're inside of another courtyard area. And what I noticed when I come into these little small courtyard, the temperature is very cool. Very cool. So let me show you what I'm looking at. Very nice. Very nice, guys. And you could get your souvenirs inside there. Yeah. It's very cool.
Baño is downstairs?
It's nice.
Okay, here I'm going to explain to you about the rock stone. We are going to take the tour here, over there, then the museum to finish here in the sales area.
Okay.
Okay, welcome to Antigua, Guatemala.
Okay.
Any question? My name is Freddy. I'm here to assist you. You can see the rough stone. This is jade. This is the rough jade. The first one here is not jade.
No, that's not jade. This
That
It's a jade stone right there, guys.
last one is jade. There are two types of jade around the world. Nephrite is the Chinese jade, and jadeite is the Guatemalan jade. You can see nephrite in 30 countries, jadeite in 4 countries only. You do in English?
Sí.
They in Spanish. Bienvenidos. Nosotros somos Casa del Jade y possibility only. Posibilidad nada más. Para pulir una pieza de madera del árbol de chicle, chico zapote, con arenas, grasa de animales. Pues las piezas originales man, están finas, pero no tienen brillo. El brillo de hoy se debe al polvo de diamante. So,
It's showing you how the Mayas cut the jade.
Probably the Mayas use jade to cut jade, and for to polish a piece of the rubber tree with sand and animal fat.
They use jade to cut the jade.
Maya pieces are polished, but they are opaque. They are not shining. Nowadays, for to shining as my ring, we need diamond powder. Estas son réplicas originales en Londres. Este es el agujero más pequeño que nosotros podemos hacer aquí. Pero no olviden, las piezas originales
That's the
tienen un
smallest
agujero donde
piece.
pasa 1 o 2 cabellos, mucho más fino que eso. So this is the thinnest hole that we can make here with a diamond drill. But the original pieces have a very, very thin hole. And the one you can pass through 1 or 2 hairs only. We can't
wow.
to do that.
Wow.
And no diamond.
Yeah, to bore such a
Sí.
small hole.
Los expansores, los dilatadores, vean. Eso estuvo acá de moda desde el año 1400 antes de Cristo. Solo la realeza podía usar eso en las orejas. Nowadays is the fashion, but this fashion was la realeza. But this fashion was here 1400 for Christ. For the rulers only.
Ah,
Statues.
wow.
Sí. Como guatemaltecos, esta es la máscara nacional. La original,
Okay,
como les
guys.
mencioné, viene del sitio
Catch you
arqueológico
on the next scene.
Tikal.
So basically
Los
it's just
Guatemala, this
explaining
is our national mask. The original one comes from the
different type of,
archaeological site Tikal, 527 AD, 527 después de Cristo. Y
And other
un
jade
hombre que fue rey
pieces.
68
So all
años.
jades, guys.
This guy was ruler 68 years. His name Pakal. Pakal the Great, Pakal el Grande, 1,83
Excuse me.
y tuvo tanto jade como nadie más. Vean, él tuvo labio leporino, estrabismo y la deformación craneal. Cuando nacían los bebés en la realeza maya les ponían 4 piezas de madera alrededor de la cabeza para deformarlo. Eso era belleza e inteligencia. A depression.
If the forehead is flat means you're more intelligent.
Right. That is the idea that they had.
That
Sí.
means how about me?
El dios del maíz, el dios creador y formador de los mayas, el dios
No.
del maíz. According
It's
to
not
the
flat.
Mayans, this
You
is the
are.
creator of the Mayan people.
Yours is flat.
The corn
So
god, the
it
maize
means
god.
you will be way more intelligent. No, if your forehead is flat, if your forehead is flat. See, if you notice, the foreheads are all flat, guys.
Jade is dense, it's heavy. You can feel how heavy it is.
Oh my God.
God.
So dense, a lot of energy in here. Wow. Oh, you're in shape.
La del hombre de 1,83 m, la viola por nuestra. Sí, no sabemos, caso extraordinario, porque no somos altos. No, sí.
¿Y las mujeres eran altas también?
Aquí se salió del rango de estatura, porque ahí dice la información 5 pies. 5 pies son como 1,50 m. Le hicieron mal.
Sí, claro, porque se ve que pero
Él sí, 1,83 m.
muy alto.
Sí. Muchas réplicas, pero piezas originales.
We did some shopping, and now we're back in the park that we were earlier. And I'm going to show you how many people are in the park now. We're getting ready to go to the ruins, but now I'm going to show you what the park looks like now.
The tribute to the nannies, the wet nursers who nurse the babies of the Spaniards, who drank a lot of chocolate, hot chocolate, in order to have a lot of mama. So they are representing the nannies who nurse even the babies from Spain.
So these, you see the water coming out of the breasts of the women? These women represent the nannies, who, I guess, the wet nurses. All right, now we're coming through. A lot of young people here. They're probably on a field trip. And so we're heading to the van right now. And as you can see, all the vendors are out. It's a whole different vibe in the evening. What time is it right now? It's 11:56 p.m.
With Hugo. Hugo is the driver and the guide for the next part of the day.
Okay.
And this is what he wanted you see. All the handicraft, the magnets. She is Ruth, a good friend of us. Ella Ruth, y tiene los mejores precios de cualquier cosita. Las
I
piedras
should
de
buy something from
volcán,
Ruth and then use the
lava.
change.
Do you remember?
I don't see any shot glasses.
What is it?
Shot glass. No, shot glass.
Shot glass for tequila.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, sorry, rum.
Oh, wow.
Rum. Zacapa Centenario es considerado.
This is making from the tree. All is made for family Maya.
A lot of things here. I'm gonna let Karine get something. All right, guys, catch you on the next scene.
But that's sort of like in Mexico, cruise, you know? No, like the Dominican Republic, Cuba. Then they went to Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Then from Mexico they came down here.